No, just smile. Just smile for the camera. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture.
No, it's rated for 550.
No, it's hand gesture activated. Okay.
It's kind of everything. I put keys there, I put my water bottle there, I put an air.
There's Mindy. Mindy, smile. Smile for the camera. No, really. No. let me see your ugliness. Reveal your ugliness. No, really.
Stop it.
No, really. I'm serious. Mindy, I'm really serious.
What's your opinion on pocket lightsabers?
Bad hair day.
Hi, Ella. Who you got? Oh, you got the baby. So precious. You're doing such a great job. Big helper. Oh, got kids over here. What you guys doing?
This down.
Who's in there? You got prisoners?
Yeah.
Who's in there?
She got tired. It's like, oh. Dun, 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 dun.
Close again. No.
What, you're filming this?
Oh no. I'm documenting.
Yeah, I documented the whole trip. I'll email it out.
With James.
It's gonna be a big email, but I'll email it out. I took a video.
Oh, awesome. Oh, the bike ride?
Yeah. Email it. Did you get an email?
Growing apart. You're just not in the same house anymore.
You're so colorful. Nice sunglasses.
Are you videoing?
Huh? Yeah.
You're videoing?
Hey, there's David.
I'm sorry.
Hey, David, wave to the camera.
Did you say hi to him and touch you?
Oh, he's getting all lovey-dovey over there. Melly.
The duties of mothers to finish their children's ice cream.
I know.
Such a burden.
Well, anyways. Dairy Queen.